So hello traders, you're welcome again to my video. So it's weekend, and how is your weekend going? So my weekend is going over here cool. It's going very fine, and it's going awesome. So I hope yours is going awesome as well. Yours is going fine as well. So in this video I am showing you my profit and loss for last week or for the week. I'm showing you my profit and loss for the end of the week. So I took just one trade for the whole of the week, and I'm kind of like okay with this, I'm fine with this. I'm very fine with this because I can be patient for my setup right now, and I can be patient to say for my setup now. Before it wasn't like this. To be sincere, it wasn't like this. Before now, it wasn't like this. I can't wait for my setup. I have to it's as if I must trade. You understand what I'm saying? So it usually seems I have to trade every day. You understand? So it gets me trading multiple times. You get me trading too much all the time. So from there was a prop firm account I took that was for last 2 months, and last month I took some prop firm account, so I didn't pass the account, so I have to print it out, the challenge. I have to print it out and check why didn't I pass this account, what's the reasons why I didn't pass this account. And I saw something amazing, and that's what I'm currently working on. I saw that on my printout, that's my dashboard. I print out my dashboard and my statement for the whole of the trade, and what I saw was that I overtrade, and the lot size I was using was very low because I'm overtrading. So it's kind of like I'm trading too much. Every time I'm just trading, so I overtrade, and my losses were more than my lows because I'm overtrading. So that is why I'm cutting down the numbers of trade I'm taking. So right now I'm currently on GBP JPY and USD JPY. Most times it's GBP JPY. So USD JPY is some of the time I bring it in, and some of the time I just leave it out. So I focus more on the GBP JPY. So I'm going to show you here my dashboard for the whole of the week, how my trade goes, and my thought process about all my trade. That's what I'm going to show you here, and I'm going to show you again my previous week, my profit and loss for the previous week, how my trade goes, and I was able to manage my account. And my account is up about 2%. It should be 2% now. I don't know. It should be 2% now. I've not checked my dashboard, but I know I'm up about some percentage, and I'm going to show you my percentage and how I'm ready to scale up in the coming week. That's what I'm here to say. So I'm learning how I can manage my risks, and I can scale up my account. I can scale up so I can pass the account. I'm still on a 5k challenge account which I took off recent, so I'm working on it to get better every day. I'm working to get better. I'm working on myself to get better, both psychological wise and the technical wise. So I'm working on all around. So I hope this video is going to be helpful to you, and you're going to pick something out that you also are going to work with. And in this video I hope you just get checking your losses, checking why you didn't get it right the first time, or why you are losing. Check it out and you can work with it. Like I said, if that's the only thing you can pick from this video, that will be fine. Just pick it up and work with it. You have to check on your dashboard, go through your dashboard, go through your traded pairs, go through it. Why did you lose this? Why did you win this? And double down on your wins, and your loss, you cut it. You just cut what was making you to lose more. So this is all I'm here to show you in this video. This video is not going to be a long video. It's just going to be a 6-minute, or it's going to be a 7-minute or 10-minute video. That's what I'm just here to show you, and how I was able to manage my risks and my account, my profit and loss for the week. And if possible, I'll bring in the last week also, and I'll show you how I manage my risk. So this is all I'm here to show you in this video. So stay tuned and let's watch how everything played out. So let's go. So guys, this is my dashboard. Right now. As you can see, account selection, this is my current account I'm using. I'm on this 53 right now, so that's my current account. And here we can see active only. I don't want to click that. If I click that, it's only the active accounts that will be showing, and I want all my accounts to be there, so I'm not clicking on active only. but this is currently the account I am on. So I'm up 5,000. So it's a $5,000 account, so I'm up $195. So you can see my equity, you can see my close balance, and I'm going to show you the trade which I closed on for the week. So this is my balance curve. This is how my profit is going. It has been ups and downs. So we go up and come down a bit, the wins shoot us up again, and this is how it has been going. Guys. So let me go on my main account dashboard. So this is the curve. Let me go on the dashboard and show to you. Okay, so this is the dashboard. Let me go on the trading overview. So here is the trading overview. My profit target, as you all know, is 400 for moving. If you don't know, 400, that's 8% of the $5,000 account. So it's $400. That's what I'll make before I can pass this challenge phase. So with $400, I'll pass the challenge phase. The overall lose maximum is 263. So this 263 you can see is because my account, my profit is added. If my profit is not added, it's not going to be maximum 263. So it's because my profit is added, that's why it's 263, and you can see that. So that's my overall lose. That's what I have to lose, or for me to get kicked out of this account. So this is my daily lose maximum, 155. That's my daily lose. It shouldn't be more than 155 for my daily lose. So you can see, so if I should lose 155, my balance will be 5,039. That's my maximum. I shouldn't exceed that. That's what that means. So it's going to reset right now, daily reset. So after the daily reset, everything is going to reset again. My balance and everything is going to reset. And this is my account growth, 3.91, and I need to make 8%. So I'm up 3.91. That's my account growth right now. This is my advanced stats. So advanced stats, that's advanced statistics. So my balance, you can see, is still 5,000 here, 5,195. Equity the same because I'm not on any open trade, and it's a one phase challenge. So I took one phase challenge. After I get this, I'm getting funded live account with live account if I can pass the challenge. So this is my phase one. The account, you can see, this is the status, is active. If it's not active, you see disabled or non-active. That's what you see here. So this account is active. Account type is the Marvin Stater one step. So my best trade is 150. So this is now where I learned from my previous data which I kept, which I told you from the previous accounts which I kept. This is what it was. My overall lose was more than my best trade was less than my worst trade. So let me show you what I mean by so let me go on this 77. Okay, so as you can see here is this is kind of like more, it's more, let me show you something. Okay, yes, this is what I want to show to you now. So I print it out, and this is what I can see. A 20 trade win ratio is 15.00%. Worst trade is negative $30. You can see that. And the best trade is $7. So that's my best trade. This is when I was starting up. I remember this account. It should be 1K, 2K account. Okay, I know it's 2K account. So my best trade is $7. So when I print it out and I start going through it, I was like, wow, this is really something I should look into. How can my best trade be this? You understand what I say? So going back to my main account which I'm on, this is my best trade so far. My best trade is $150, and my worst trade is $64. That's the worst I've lose. That's the worst trade I've lose. That's 64. This is not the overall lose. It's just the worst trade that I have lost. So this is the worst trade. This is my worst trade, and you can see my win ratio is 44.00%. My total trade for now is 25 trades. So these 25 trades, there are other trades which I just closed out. I don't want to take it and close that, and some little profit and little loss, $25
25 trades. So it's here. So these are the numbers of my trades, and I guess I should see that or for the GBP JPY I took before now, the last trade I took. So I would love to show you the last trade I took before now. My last trade I took should be $150. Yeah, it should be 150 or 140. It should be 140. I think it should be 140. So the trade was 140, and it should be the last trade now. Should be the last trade. So that is how, this is how my profit is, and these are my lows. Everything, you can see it here. You can see everything. So I guess this should be the sell, 0.13. Yes, I guess this should be the trade. So this second one, you can see JPP JPY sell 0.13. So this should be the trade. And I dropped this analysis for you guys. If you follow up, you should be in profit. So this is my dashboard, and this is all for the video. Peace.